Okay, let's see if I got any more hiccups. Okay. There we go.
Not right by my ear, please.
Sorry.
So what's your hiccups? Unless it's an emergency, not right by my ear. I'm curious when you guys are getting out of school. Well, I'm getting out of school on Friday. Yeah. So my vacation is not yet, so I can't stay up until like 3 in the morning yet. Don't ask why I stay up that late. I think I got no more hiccups, so that way I started talking. So basically, when do you guys get out of summer? Have you already left for summer break? Or are you now just about to get out of school? I'm going to get out of school on Friday. But tomorrow is my work. You're probably like, Sarah, when did this come out? It might already be your, you might always be summer break. Well, today, when I'm filming this, is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thursday. When my word summer is, so that day of school, like real school. And then on Friday, all we got is fun for school. All we got is fun for school. Yeah. And if you guys have seen if you have seen the little pattern thing, I've done an intro for every single video, except hiccups. You wonder why? You do. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm just trying to kind of scare, but also fun. Kinda, yeah. I'm like that. I'm like, okay. I'm just trying to get fun, I think. Steal my earring.